Want to make a stunning focus poster in Canva, even if you're a beginner? Let's walk through it step by step. Before we begin, choose your layout in Canva. For this tutorial, I'm using an Instagram post format. Step 1. Choose a picture. Start by choosing a photo. If you don't have your own, use royalty-free or Creative Commons images. You can filter these in Google Images or search directly in Canva's free library. Step 2. Edit the picture. Once your image is in Canva, click Edit Image and explore effects. Try the duotone filter for a bold, artistic look, or use blur to create a soft, stylish background. For a more elevated look, you can also add texture. Just search Texture in the Elements tab, or explore Canva's Texture app to layer subtle effects into your design. Step 3. Create the focus effect, duplicate your image, or simply add it back, and align it exactly with the background. To make alignment easier, lower the transparency of the top layer until both images match perfectly. Step 4. Set the visual focus. Now crop the top image to shape your focus area. Set the transparency back to 100%, then add a white border to make it pop. Step 5. Final touches. Add your text, something expressive or poetic. And that's it. You've created a layered, eye-catching focus poster. Save your design, share it, and tag it Leia Create if you try it out.
Hi, I'm Leia Create. My environment isn't ideal for recording, so I use AI voice for this tutorial. But I wanted to leave you this message myself. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something new today. Bye!